Hi everyone, Sunshine Annie here, working on my DIY composition book planner. This is for November the 26th through the 28th and December 1st and 2nd. So it was a split page. My last final things of being thankful for my old dog that I still have. Was thankful for the time I had with my son and his girlfriend. They moved out this weekend into their new apartment that they finally found after going through COVID together and being here. It was a blessing to have them here. This is what I did for these two pages. This is the starting page for December. I did put in the tab. Looking for the next page for December 3rd through the 9th. I already finished it. I just needed to get it done. Things have been, like I said, things have been really crazy. I did washi tape. I decided to do, so I've been seeing everybody doing cute little advent calendars that they open up, and what I decided to do is put it in here. And what I'm going to do is for every day, I'm going to put an ornament on my little tree that I drew. I wrote in for next week, so I know about where I want to put these ones, so they'll be kind of staggered. So for Sunday, I think I'm going to go with that pretty blue one. These are from Creative Memories. They're old. I don't know that you could get them again, but these were from 2002. So I have some different ones that I'm going to put on for these next 2 weeks. I'm trying to use my washi tapes that are sort of in the holiday theme. This week, Sunday, our menu item, we're doing quesadillas. My usual, we do our early release on Wednesday, and on Saturday we have hair appointments. That's about it for this week. And my notes, want to keep active, make healthy choices. It's important for me to take vitamin D, actively work on my mindset and keeping positive thoughts. So I think that, you know, looking forward to every day putting a little ornament on the tree as a little advent to work my way up to Christmas. And it's crazy that we literally have 3 weeks before Christmas. It's unreal for me. This was for November and the beginning of December. This is for this next week. Hopefully you are having a great weekend and that you're getting stuff done that you need to get done, or you're taking time and having some self-care moments. And with that, I wish you well. I wish you a happy week next weekend, and watch to see how this side of my Advent tree comes out. Thanks so much and have a great week.